Hi there, my name is Richard Davis and this is Brad Harding and we're firefighters with Leicestershire Fire and Rescue Service. And what we'd like to talk to you about today is potentially making the ultimate difference to someone and their family by saving their life using an AED. So, an AED is a life-saving device that can give a shock to the heart when it stops during a heart attack. An AED stands for Automated External Defibrillator. It can be used on adults and children over 1 year old, and anyone can use an AED. You literally can't get it wrong. It analyses the patient and then it tells you exactly what you need to do.
If a person is unresponsive and not breathing, ask somebody to dial 999 whilst you start CPR. Ask them to fetch the nearest AED if possible. If you are alone, call 999 first, on speakerphone if possible, and start CPR.
When the AED arrives, ask them to switch it on whilst you continue CPR and then follow exactly what it tells you to do.
Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hello? Rich, call an ambulance.
Okay.
Not breathing, no pulse.
Yes, ambulance please. Eastern Fire Station, Hastings Road, Leicester. Yes, we've got a person, lady, unresponsive, we're delivering CPR right now. Ambulance as soon as possible, thank you. Where's the nearest AED? Okay.
Call for help now. Remove all clothing from patient's chest. Pull red handle to open bag. Look at pictures on pads. Peel one pad off blue plastic. Apply pad to bare skin, exactly as shown in the picture. Press pad firmly. Peel other pad off blue plastic. Apply pad to bare skin, exactly as shown. Do not touch patient. Evaluating heart rhythm.
Everyone away?
Stand by. Preparing to shock. Everyone clear. Press flashing button. Shock delivered. Provide chest compressions and rescue breaths.